Hey guys, today I want to talk about a strategy I put in place for my clients that is not necessarily considered sexy. It's not purchasing property or shares or investments, but it is a strategy that protects against risk. So if something happens, and when it does happen, if you don't have this in place, things can turn really pear-shaped very fast. So really important that you have it. It's critical illness cover, or trauma cover, also known as, and it's there to protect you financially in terms of if you have a stroke, cancer, heart attack, and a range of other things as well. I won't go into all of those, but really important that you have it. Different companies offer different things, but it is without doubt one of the most claimed upon insurances out there. And for those people that have had to call upon this insurance when they've needed it, they've said it has been, without any shade of a doubt, the most valuable thing that they've done, because if they didn't have it, they would have been in a situation where they've had to look at selling their property, calling on family or friends for financial assistance, taking kids out of private education, a whole range of different things. Their mental health would have gone down. It would have been so stressful. So it is really important to have. As I said, it's not sexy, but it is really important and critical that you have this type of cover. I would seriously consider it, and if you don't know much about it, make sure you drop us a line and find out about it. I'll more than happy to help you out with that, to let you know. But really important you have it. It's a very serious part of the financial plan in terms of looking at your wealth strategy overall and protecting wealth and yourselves. Okay, take care. See you guys. Hope this has been useful. Bye.